This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by choosing the simplest insertion method. Type the copyright character directly or use the HTML entity and copy. Once you've opened your HTML file, locate the block where the copyright notice belongs, typically a footer or legal section, and paste the symbol inline with surrounding text. Make sure the file uses UTF-8 encoding so the character renders across browsers. If you edit in a CMS, switch to Code View before inserting the entity to avoid automatic filtering. Once done with the basic insertion, consider entity forms for compatibility. Use and copy. As the named entity, it's human-readable and broadly supported. If an editor or sanitizer strips named entities, use numeric forms like &169 or hex &X00A9, which are more resilient. Make sure to place entities not only in text nodes, but also in attribute values. For example, title equals Copyright 2026 Company. Also double-check templates and server-side escaping so entities aren't double encoded or rendered incorrectly. To finish, preview the page in several browsers and on mobile to confirm the symbol displays correctly. If you use direct copyright and see odd characters, verify your HTML includes meta charset equals UTF-8 and that the server serves files as UTF-8. If problems persist, switch to &169 or &X00A9 to force correct rendering. One key troubleshooting tip. If symbols appear as question marks or boxes, change both.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.